Hey everybody, it's Neil. Check out what I have here. I have the party-proof speaker, and I'll be showing you this here up in the corner, or just after this here, we'll show you guys how it all works. But I wanted to unbox it and show you guys just what we've got here. We have a 3.5mm extension cable. We have USB to USB-C for, I assume, charging. And then we have the speaker here. So I'll just show you guys this here before we get to showing you at the party. So this right here. And there we go. So this is what it looks like here. It's got some big speakers on it, and it will hopefully connect up through Bluetooth and stuff. So let's see where we got here. So we have buttons here. We have, okay. So on the side, we have our DC 5 volts. That's where we're gonna get our power for our charger and everything. Off and on, there's my on microphone, auxiliary, USB, and then we can even put a little, we can put a little flash card in there as well. And then here we go. We just turned it on the Bluetooth mode, and I'll aim you guys down here for a second, and I'll try to connect up with my iPad. I don't know if this iPad's got charged enough to do anything, but let's see. If I go to settings, Bluetooth, let's see if it finds it. I don't know. This one here has a charger. Oh, there is something called BB02. I'm gonna guess that's this. And it is. Okay. So now if I go to something to play something here, let's see what we get. My internet is so slow at the moment. I'm just trying to do my YouTube even, and it's not loading. Not sure what's wrong. I guess the internet is down at the moment. So, but let's see if I can connect up to something here. Let me see. Do I have... I don't know if this will work. Okay, so there's a song. I can only play the briefest of seconds, but that is really nice and got a lot of bass and everything there in there as well. But I'll be showing you it more, and we'll be playing some music outside. Very cool. I like it. Thumbs up.
2, 3.
Okay, so here we are. We got the speaker here, and I got it connected up to YouTube, and we have a birthday. So you can hear this. You go, happy birthday to you. Sing happy birthday.
Friendly.
To you. That's what kids do. They don't perform on key. But you get the idea. So we have this. It sounds really good. I was playing other music. I can't really play too many songs on it because of copyright. I played other music, and it sounds great. Oh, we're gonna play another one. I don't know what it was gonna play there, but super good. We like it. You like it?
Oh yeah.
Thumbs up.